So today's presentation, I will be talking about the water pollution in Malaysia. So my name is Yapsun Fat Aaron and my student ID is SE20098. So as your information, the most common pollution that reported in Malaysia is the water pollution. And the water pollution usually happen in rivers and lakes in Malaysia. So as a research that I have done, from 2008 to 2017, a total of 460 rivers and lakes were polluted during these 7 years. So, 47% out of 460 rivers were located near industrial area and is the easiest area to be polluted. As information, rivers and lakes usually polluted by chemical substances that released by the factory. So the causes of water pollution is caused by point and non-point sources. For point sources, it is caused by domestic sewage, manufacturing chemical waste, and agro-based industries. For non-point sources, it is caused by agricultural activities, surface runoffs, land clearing, and community-less awareness. So, by the funding of the scientists, the major pollutants in Malaysia's water pollution is biochemical oxygen demand, ammonical nitrogen, and suspended solids. So, for biochemical oxygen demand, it is the most highest found chemical in a pollutant water. So this is an example of effects that caused by the water pollution to our country, which is water cuts in Klang in 2020 October 4. Hundreds of thousands people in 4 districts in Klang Valley were affected by water supply cuts due to river pollution incident. Level of 7 ton at Bukit Tampoy Water Treatment Plant and 5 ton at the Sungai Semeni Water Treatment Plant, which is a very dangerous level for a water pollution. The pollution is caused by chemical effluents that was discharged into a drain that a vehicle maintenance plant. Many food stores can't work as usual and the incident lasts for a long 1 week. The consumer only can have water supplied by the lorry water tank. And in the picture, as you can see, the water turned into yellowish caused by the chemical substance that polluted the water in Klang. So the effects of water pollution in Malaysia is cause the health impact of the human. So there is one pathogens which is the waterborne pathogens that been divided into three categories, which is viruses, bacteria, and parasites that can harm the health of a community. It is the form of disease-causing bacteria and viruses from human and animal waste. It can cause lots of disease such as cholera, giardia, typhoid, and etc. This disease easily attack pregnancy women, young child, and old ages people. In addition, the most commonly reported disease of water pollution is human heart and kidneys, poor blood circulation, skin lesions, damaged nervous systems, gastroenteritis, vomiting, and respiratory disturbance. So for economic evaluation, there are three, which is oxidized nitrogen, salinity, biological oxygen demand. Biological oxygen demand can drop by 1/3 and it can cause the economic cost decrease. Secondly, oxidized nitrogen is a type of nitrates that lethal to babies and this nitrogen increase childhood stunting by 11 to 19%. And it can also decrease the earning of water business which is by 1 to 2%. So salinity can degrade the quality of land and the food supply decrease directly and can cause the community to face health problem by consuming then polluted food that caused by the water pollution. So last but not least, water pollution is a global wide pollution that occur in many countries. It is reported with harmful substances that can cause many health effects to the consumers. It is a pollution that changed the clean water to a water that full of chemical and waterborne pathogens. It is recommended that all the water need to be polluted or filtered with good water treatment system before releasing to the sea, rivers, and lakes so that can list down the number of river that been polluted. The pollution can be eliminated if the whole world work together to shut it down necessarily. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.